Masquerade say Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana kariki kutanga kuya paneno channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. Kana uchingwa ka subscriber. Don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasimule Zimbabwe takuigirai nyaya ya Buddha, nyaya ya Christopher Mutsvangwa. Uyo arikunzi aluza the succession war hapo akaluza akatorwa chigaro is the war veterans chairperson Mushure Mushure, the former cabinet ministers and generation 40 leaders Xavier Kasukwere na Ota Mzembe Vabuda vachimeka fun of the ZANU-PF national spokesperson Christopher Mutsvangwa Mekunge aluza the powerful post yanga nayo yokuleader ma veterans and kunga ma veterans arikunzi they are very vital mu ruling party chinzi zvirunzi vane influence to some extent yekudetermine kuti ndiani anokwanisa kuita the ZANU-PF first secretary and the national leader. So Christopher Mutsvangwa akajiwa na Sifas Ncube from Bulawayo province muma elections akaitwa mazuva apfuura aya. Sifas Ncube arikunzi is the one akaelectwa as the new chairperson of the Zimbabwe National Liberation War Veterans Association. So Ncube akadya zvakare the outgoing secretary general Victor Matemadanda pamwechete na va Albert Ncube muri Zimbabwe. So Ncube arunze akaita mavotes anokwanisa kuita 294 apa Albert Ncube anga ari the second anga ane 90 votes. Matemadanda akaita third place ane 75 votes. Christopher Mutsvangwa akaonekwa ane 11 votes muri Zimbabwe. The my elections yaya Shurai Nyamangondo akaelectwa as the vice chairperson wema veterans. So kwatiri kuita vaota Mzembe vakabuda vachitaura pamusoro penyaya iyi on his ex end vakataura vachiti unelectable face of defeat. Chris Mutsvangwa is popularized number 11. Mutsvangwa asvasvangwa Kasukwere akaenda mberi achiti 11 years as leader equals 11 votes. Haibo 1 vote self, 2 vote Lewinsky, so 9 votes who did this. Ndo zvakabuda kuchitaurwa naKasukwere naota Mzembe vachimuka Christopher Mutsvangwa. Defeat ya Mutsvangwa yauya at a time apo ZANU-PF iri kugadzirira kuhosta its annual conference apo parikunzi pachasarudzwa the person who is going to replace President Mnangagwa as the new ZANU-PF leader. Mnangagwa are expected to step down at the end of his second term kupera muna 2028. Kunyange zvazo kune rumors arikunzi is planning to extend his stay in office. Kwatiri kuita Mutsvangwa vakabuda vachitaura about my intentions avo ekureplace Mnangagwa vachidiscredita Vice President Constantino Chiwenga kuchitaura ivo vachiti he is not a senior in the ruling party muri Zimbabwe. Zvinomira mushe nyaya iyi yakabuditswa neTZW News vachitaura vachiti former cabinet ministers and generation 40 leaders Xavier Kasukwere and Ota Mzembe has made fun of ZANU-PF national spokesperson Chris Mutsvangwa after losing powerful post of leading war veterans. War veterans are a vital cog in the ruling party whose influence to some extent determine who should be the ZANU-PF first secretary and eventually national leader. Sifas Ncube from Bulawayo province was recently elected the new leader of the Zimbabwe National Liberation War Veterans Association. Ncube trounced the outgoing chairperson Christopher Mutsvangwa, outgoing Secretary General Victor Matemadanda, and Albert Ncube of Matabeleland North during an election he held at the association's elective congress at the ZANU-PF Convention Center in Gweru. Ncube garnered 294 votes, while Comrade Albert Ncube was second with 90 votes. Matemadanda and Mutsvangwa came third and fourth with 75 and 11 votes respectively. Shona Nyamangondo was elected vice chairperson unopposed. Apparently, responding to this development, Mzembe said, unelectable face of defeat. Chris Mutsvangwa is popularized number 11. Mutsvangwa asvasvangwa Loosely translated, Mutsvangwa has been trounced. Kasukwere chipped in. 11 years as leader equals 11 votes. Haibo, 1 vote self, 2 vote Lewinsky, and 9 votes. Who did this? Mutsvangwa's defeat comes at a time ZANU-PF is preparing to host its annual conference, where a hint on who is going to replace President Emmerson Mnangagwa as the new ZANU-PF leader would be exposed. Mnangagwa is expected to step down at the end of his second term in 2028, though there are rumors that he is working underground to extend his stay in office. Meanwhile, Mutsvangwa recently exhibited his intentions to replace Mnangagwa by discrediting Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, questioning his seniority in the ruling party. Be that as it may, G40 is said to be well rooted in the ruling party in terms of structures, a situation which is reportedly giving Mnangagwa headaches. On the other hand, Chiwenga is also alleged to be strong in the party backed by the military. Some believe that the fact that Mnangagwa is working overtime to remain in power will force a marriage between convenience between Chiwenga and G40 leaders, a situation which could be hard to handle for President Emmerson Mnangagwa. Ndo nyaya yakaburitswa ni ZW News muri Zimbabwe. Tikazoti munoona sei nyaya ituzeizva murufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section. Kutaura kwatiri kuita hazvina kumira mushe. Zviri kunzi pane faction yeZimbabwe National Liberation of Veterans Association iyo yabuda ichidismisa congress yakaitwa iyoyo yakabvisa Christopher Mutsvangwa pachigaro. Zvinzi it is a legal nullity. Mushure Mekunge the High Court yakaorder 3 mafactions kuti agare pasi awanikwa achiresolve their conflict, wawanikwa achiappear ku High Court before the judge Justice Muzofa was 21 October. So according to Edward Dube, who are he is the Secretary General where faction is aligned to Ethan Matibela. Zvirunzi zvinomira mushe this matter iri mumacourts. Some are saying kuti the elective my elections akaitwa they were not done properly. Akabuda chitaura ivo vachiti I'm writing to update you on the latest developments regarding the court case between the Zimbabwe National Liberation or Veterans Association factions. As you may be aware, the matter of determining the legitimate leadership of our association is currently before High Court of Zimbabwe. On October 7, 2024, Honorable Miss Justice Muzofa issued a court order directing the 3 factions represented by comrades Elias Marashwa, Christopher Mutsvangwa, and Ethan Matibela to engage in discussions on how best to resolve the real issues before the court. The High Court further ordered the parties to appear virtually before Her Honor on October 21, 2024 at 3 p.m. to present an agreed position, said Dube. He dismissed the just held Congress, saying it is invalid and in direct contravention to a High Court order. It has come to our attention that one of the factions is attempting to host a ZNLAWVA Congress on October 12 in Gweru. Given that this matter is still pending before the courts, such a Congress would be valid and in direct contravention of the court order, said Dube. Tisingazivi kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi nyaya yanetsa nyaya Christopher Mutsvangwa nevamwe vake zvekunzi zvinomira mushe mubato rezANU-PF nyaya yemafactions yanetsa kumawo veterans. Tisingazivi kuti munoona sei nyaya ituzeizva murufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section.